Welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video, we will talk about how to disable the lock screen in Windows 10. We will talk about the methods and steps you have to use to fix the lock screen on Windows 10. Just in case if our methods do not help you to fix the issue, please visit to forums page of tezadvise.com and ask your question by attaching the screenshot of error message. Now, let's talk about the methods you have to use. Method 1. Local Group Policy Editor. Do a right-click on Windows icon and select Run to open Run Windows dialog box. Type gp-edit MSC in Windows Run dialog box and press Enter key to open the Group Policy Editor. Now navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Control Panel, Personalization. Double-click on the Do Not Display the Lock Screen option and select Enable it. Then click on Apply and OK. Method 2. Registry Editor. Do a right-click on Windows icon and select Run to open Run Windows dialog box. Type regedit and click OK to launch the Registry Editor. Now click on the arrow of H key local machine. Look for Software, Policies, Microsoft, and Windows. Do a right-click on Windows folder. Select New and Key. Name this one Personalization. Right-click on Personalization. Select New. Click on dword 32-bit value. Name it No Lock Screen. Now double-click on No Lock Screen. Set the value to 1. And keep the base hexadecimal. Click on OK to apply the changes. Restart your PC. Alright, I hope our method will help you to disable the lock screen on Windows 10. If not, visit to the forums page of tezadvise.com and ask your question by attaching the screenshot of error message. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.